Hi guys, we're back to do an unboxing of our Luvele Vibe blender. So let's get straight into it. First up, we're going to release the latches and lift up the lid. On top, we've got our coloured handbook and brochure loaded with great information on how to use your Vibe blender. We include a warranty card so you can register your warranty through our website. We also include our What's Cooking card. Would love for you to share your blender creations on our social media pages. On top, you'll also find our bonus nut milk bag, so you can make healthy nut milks in your blender. Next, we have our spare replacement socket. Our tamper is next, followed by our spatula, our cleaning brush, and our oven mitt, which can be used when making hot drinks and soups. Remove the top piece of packaging to reveal our pitcher and our blender base. Now let's lift out the base and remove the bag. Our Vibe blender has a protective film over the control panel which needs to be removed before use. Remove the plastic bag from the power cord and remove the cover. Finally, let's take out our stainless steel pitcher and remove the bag. And that's our Vibe blender with our stainless steel pitcher unboxed and ready to enjoy. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to email us or ask us in the comments section below. Thanks and bye for now.